Hello, today I'm going to show you some basic styles of doing Madhubani painting. Now there's a speciality of Madhubani painting that it always has a border. Madhubani painting is never complete without a border. Now for borders, there are different varieties. I have a few here. We can select any one from here. Then another speciality is all the drawings have double lines. Here it all has double lines. Here also it has double lines. And inside the lines and in some other place also, there is hatching with the lines. Like here. So Madhubani has all made out of many lines. One more speciality is the background. Whatever motif we draw, for the background also has designs like a floral pattern here or branches and leaves here. So for filling the background also we have quite a few variety that we can select from. Now when you look at the motifs, the floral and the leaf motifs, you can still see that these all are made out of double lines. We do have motifs for different birds. All of them have double lines in it. So let's start making a simple Madhubani pattern. So first of all, I will draw the outside border. I've drawn the outside border and another border inside for drawing the design. It's around 1 inch. So I'm going to select one border for this. I'm going to select this lotus border. You can first draw it with pencil and then draw with the sketch pen or with a gel pen. So I started drawing at the center so that it's well placed in the border. So I'll draw the same border all over. So I've completed drawing the border. Now inside the petals, I'm going to draw some lines. So it's going to be vertical lines. So alternate petals, draw the lines like this. I'm doing it directly with the sketch pen. You can use a marker or paints directly with the paintbrush. You can do these lines. I'm done drawing the border for the Madhubani design. Now I'm going to select a beautiful bird drawing. I'm going to select this one. So first I'll draw the outline with pencil and then I'll do the details. So a circle for the face, the neck, the wing, the body and the tail wing. I'll do the outline with the gel pen. After doing the outline, I will rub off the lines that I had drawn with the pencil, and then I'll do the details. I have rubbed off the pencil lines. Now I'm doing double border for the whole design. Now inside this border, I will do these lines across it all over. I'm done with these lines across. Now I'll do some design inside. So here also I'm having double line, a few teardrop shapes here. Here also I'm having lines inside. So wherever we have these lines, we won't paint these places. All the places, other places where we don't have these lines can be painted. Along with the main motif, we can also have some floral design, some leaves coming from here and there. So I will draw a branch from here. The branch will have sections, and the alternate sections can be hatched like this. So these will not be painted. The ones which are plain will be painted. The leaves can be simple like this. We can have hatches on it. So whatever leaves we select, see that the same pattern is used all over. The same leaf pattern here. We can use any medium for painting it. So I'll use sketch pens. And the colors used are all primary colors, the basic colors or natural colors, red, yellow, orange, green, blue. These colors are used. Colors like grey, pink, these colors are avoided because they are not found naturally. And traditionally the Madhubani designs that were prepared, that were made, they were using more of the natural dyes which are available. So I'll use these two colors, orange and green, to fill the colors in the bird. So now I have colored the bird. I've also colored the stem and this flower. I will color these lotuses in red color wherever I have not done lines with the black. Now for the background, we need to fill the whole thing. So these are some background designs which we can use for filling. So I will use this one, and I'm using blue color. You can directly use the sketch pen on it and start drawing like this. Same way I'll complete the whole background. So I've completed the background with spiral designs with the sketch pen, and I've also colored the border with watercolors in light yellow. So here we have a very simple basic Madhubani design.